Everyone, the title that I will describe is IoT reaction video. My name is John Arcega. My course is Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. My instructor name is Hans Christian. He shows how everyday things like refrigerators and cars connect to the internet and share information, and this is called Internet of Things, IoT. It makes things like smart homes, smart cities, and better healthcare possible. The advantage, IoT, Internet of Things, lets everyday things to each other online. That's great because it can save time and money, make things safer and more convenient, and help us make better decisions. The disadvantage, our private information could be stolen, things could break down, and it costs money to set up. We also need to think about who owns the information and do they use IoT in their daily life? Why or why not? Honestly, it depends on a person. Some people are all about latest gadgets and would probably jump at the chance to have a smart home. They love the convenience and the cool factor. Others, though, might be more hesitant. They might worry about their privacy, or maybe they just don't see that need for all that extra technology. It can be expensive too. So, that's a factor for a lot of people. And some folks are just perfectly happy and the way things are, no need to complicate their lives with smart this and smart that. So there's no simple yes or no. Key takeaways. The takeaways is that IoT adoption in daily life isn't universal, and it depends on a person's tech comfort level, budget, perceived value of smart devices, privacy concerns, and existing infrastructure. There's no single answer to whether people we use IoT. It's highly individual. It's neither good or bad, but rather a complex issue with both positive and negative aspects. Smart homes and connected devices are convenient, but they also make us vulnerable to hacking and data breaches. It's great for measure for personal information is a serious concern. We need strong security measures and clear regulation to make sure the benefits outweigh the risk.